Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Xello for this month. At this point, you should have done several lessons, most of you, so this is very familiar to you. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and log into Clever by clicking on the icon here and then get to your Xello app. Mine's up here as a favorite. If yours is not a favorite, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom and log in that way. Once you've clicked on the Xello icon, it should take you to your home page. For most of you, you're going to be able to look up here in the box to see the next lesson. Because I'm not caught up, just have a demo account. I'm going to have to look here. If yours is not up here at the top as a big box, that means that you probably have some lessons that need to get completed first. I'm going to click on the interests lesson. That's the one that we're doing this month. This lesson is actually locked. It says to unlock this lesson, I need to add at least 5 interests to my profile, and some of you may need to save some careers that you like. Let's go ahead and click on done right now and do those activities. If you do not have a check marks next to Matchmaker, that means you've never completed Matchmaker before. That's something you're actually all going to do today. So whether or not you're done with Matchmaker and you have a check mark next to it from another time you did it, go ahead and click on Matchmaker here. If you've already done Matchmaker, you should see some answers pop up, some things that you have done before. If you have not ever done Matchmaker, you're going to need to go up here to the top bar if you've already done a Matchmaker before. Click on where it says About Me, and then click on the 3 dots here. I'm going to reset Matchmaker. Yep, I do want to reset. I want to start it over. Okay, now that opens up Matchmaker and I can start the quiz. In order to do Matchmaker, you just launch it here. I'm actually going to click not sure yet because I don't know if I want to go to more school after high school or choose another alternate route like the military. So I'm just going to click not sure yet and start Matchmaker. At this point, all you do is answer questions. How do you feel about working with children? Obviously, I like that very much. Now, what I'm going to do, since I'm just doing this as my demo, is I'm not even reading this. I'm just scrolling through and clicking. Obviously, we want you to take the time to read each question carefully and do a great job answering them so that you can get the best results for yourself. Make sure that you really do what you think, not just what you think a friend might choose or your parents would want you to pick. It's important that you're able to find the best result for you. And like always, this is just a quiz. Some of you might get an answer that feels kind of silly to you. It might not be something that you agree with. You can always take more personality tests or Matchmaker results and get a better answer. Okay. So I'm actually going to stop right here and I'm going to go here and see where it says my career matches here. Okay. Let me see some more choices. At this point, what you can do is you can click on one of these career matches that seems kind of interesting. I'm going to select special effects technician because I think that's pretty cool. I can read about it if I'd like, and I'm going to choose this one as one of my favorites. So I'm going to click on the heart in this blue rectangle here, and that saves it as one of my favorites. Let me click the back arrow here, and I'm going to do that 2 more times with other jobs that I think might be interesting. For the sake of time, I'm just going through this pretty quickly. A cartographer is a map maker. Let me pick that one. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go back. Okay, I'm almost done here. I have 3 matches that I've selected. And now I'm going to go back to this About Me section here. And I'm going to scroll all the way down. Notice I have my heart from my favorites. And now at the very bottom, it says interests. What do you like? Let me click on this button that says add interests. I can pick from categories of things that I like. Let's see, games and recreation. I love being outdoors. Or I could just start typing something in. Ooh, I do like reading. So you're going to add 5 different interests that you like to do. Okay. Gymnastics. I do like some dodgeball. And let me pick something else. I do like some art. Okay, you should have at least 5 interests, but you can have more. Once you're done, click Done in the upper right-hand corner. And now we're finally ready to begin our lesson for this month. This lesson will take you more than 1 class period to finish. Now, when I go back down to interests, I already unlocked it by saving 3 careers and by finding 5 interests that I have. Now I can do what I'm used to doing, which is clicking on that blue button here, reading about it, and starting the activity. As always, there's a progress bar in the upper left-hand corner that tells me how far I am. I can click Done and continue right back where I left off if I need more time to finish. And if you need to answer your own question from your own words, you can always click on the Idea Starters button to give you some hints. Great job with this lesson. I know the beginning is a little tricky, so make sure you listen to your teacher to get some help. Have a great month, and we'll see you soon.